amendments, insertions, or whatever you want to call it, whether individual or institutional, done during the deliberations in the Senate, are part of the regular budget process. It is part of a process. It is within the mandate of the senators to amend and determine the government spending allocation. It serves as a crucial check and balance mechanism to ensure that public funds are spent in accordance with the law. But for the 2026 budget, the Senate will institute changes for greater transparency, people's participation, and accountability. That is the reason that we have included live streaming in all the steps of the budget process. The Senate is one with the nation in ensuring that the taxes paid by the public will be used correctly.